The problem is negative 3x minus 15 over 3x squared plus 12x minus 15 minus 15 minus 2x minus x squared over 3x squared plus 12x minus 15. Since the denominators are the same, we are able to combine the numerator and distribute the negative to the second trinomial. Now that the negative is distributed, we can combine like terms. The problem has become x squared minus x minus 30 over 3x squared plus 12x minus 15. Now we are able to factor out so we can get a simplified answer. By using Floyd, it came out to be x minus 6 times x plus 5 over 3 times x squared plus 4x minus 15. By factoring out a 3 of the denominator, I was able to isolate the simplified trinomial. We came up with x minus 6 times x plus 5 over 3 times x minus 1 times x plus 5. Since they are the same for the top and bottom, we are able to divide it. It would end up to be x minus 6 over 3 times x plus minus 1, and then we multiply it out because we can no longer divide it to make it into 1.
So my problem is x minus 14 over x plus 4 minus 2 minus x over x plus 4. First, we have to combine all the common denominators, so we'll get x minus 14 minus 2 minus x over just x plus 4. Then we'll distribute the negative and we'll get x minus 14 minus 2 plus x over x plus 4. After we distribute the negative, we have to combine the like terms to simplify the equation, so we get x minus 14 minus 2 plus x over x plus 4, and that turns into 2x minus 16 over x plus 4.
So in my problem, you factor the numerator by using the grouping method by taking out a y and taking out a 4 on the other side. And then the other numerator you factor the regular way. 5x minus 4 and x minus 2 over 20x minus 16. Our next step is to combine into one fraction. You just rewrite the numerator all over the denominator. It's a pretty easy step. Over 20x minus 16. Now you want to factor the denominator. And you could take out a 4, which makes it 5x minus 4. So you just rewrite the top and write it over 4 parenthesis 5x minus 4 because you could take out a 4. And our next step is to factor out the 5x minus 4. So you write 5x minus 4, and then just write y plus 4 minus x minus 2, since there's two 5x minus 4. And you could take both of them out, rewrite the denominator. Then you could cancel them out because they're the same and they're not attached to anything. So you could write y plus 4 minus x minus 2 over 4. Our next step would be to distribute the minus sign. You put it in front of the x and you distribute it to the minus sign, which will make it a plus sign. Write it all over 4 again. And finally, you just combine like terms in the numerator. So that leaves you with the answer y plus 6 minus x all over 4.